Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I will show you how you can create a digital clock on your PC using Notepad. Okay? So remember the code that I'm going to write here is in the description below. From there you can copy and you can try yourself. Alright? So let me write the code from here. And after that you have to double click on it and you have to make it open, and here it is. Here you can see we are getting the time as 10:45:35:04. Here it is, and the date is 7/22/2023, right? So in this way you can create a digital clock on your PC using Notepad. Okay, so thanks for watching.